Atma Namaskaram, Siddhavedam, the Moksha Sutram in English, Chapter 16, Part 3. After you have gone to the temple, how do you pray and what are your meditations?
I join both my hands before my chest and pray, "Oh my God, save me," etc.
What you do is very wrong. It is because when you entered the temple, your conviction was that the image installed there is the God. It is because of this conviction that you went there. Such being the case, you ought not to have joined your hands before your chest and prayed, "Oh my God, save me," and so on. You ought to have placed your hands on the image and cried, "O temple God, save me," and so on. But you do not do like this. The reason is this: the God is in you. If there is no God in you, there is no God elsewhere. All are the sankalpa made by you when your Shakti spread within the outside. Not only this, there is no Shakti whatsoever in that Pratishta. It is because if it must be said that you have done the above said Prana Pratishta, you must take and install the above said images within your prana alone without any other help, and those images also must get stand without any movement. Without doing so, but fixing and installing them either with lime or with cement or with ashtagandham cannot be called as prana pratishta. That is like this. Look at this door. Who made this?
The carpenter,
Who fixed it there?
the mason or the bricklayer,
How is it fixed there?
with the help of bricks, lime, and sand.
Just as the carpenter makes this door and the mason fixes it, likewise those who know to make images make them, and those who know to fix them either with ashtagandham or with cement or with lime. It is such images being fixed thus that we go and worship as God. It is something like this: holding our hand hollowly, if we pour in it some payasam, a kind of sweet pudding, fully, out of the payasam, some juice is oozing down the elbow up to the knee, through the breaks of the five fingers, thinking that the juice must be licked up when the hand is turned upside down and the juice oozing down on the elbow is licked up, the payasam is lost. If we think to lick up once again, there is no juice. The reason is it was from the payasam that the juice oozed out. Without taking care of the payasam, but desiring that juice, when the juice oozing down on the elbow was licked up, the payasam, wherefrom the juice was oozing out, was lost. Due to that, the taste of the payasam was not known. If the payasam, wherefrom the juice was oozing out, was taken in first, neither the juice would ooze out nor the payasam would be lost. In the same manner itself, we neglect the God within one's own self, consider the image of Pratishta as God, leave out within the outside the energy of God within us through the five holes of Panchendriya and gets destroyed. That is very wrong. It is from the God being in Brahmadyam, the place of our heart, that the Shakti is oozing out. Without knowing the birthplace of the Shakti, thus being oozed out, we long for that Shakti and bewilder in it and lost the above said God. Because of desiring the Shakti being oozed out from the God, it is impossible to know the state of God. If we make seva of Ishvara or take in the God wherefrom the Shakti originated, there is no reason for either the Shakti to ooze out from the self or the god to be destroyed. Prana Pratishta means without allowing the Ishvara Shakti to ooze out as above said, but erecting it undisturbedly in Brahmadyam, the birthplace. That is called the Pancha Prana Pratishta. The place where thus Pratishta is done is called Kshetram or temple. That is the Gatra Kshetram. There are 9 doors to the Kshetram. Thus is the Prana Pratishta. Instead of this, people in the world make images of metals or of wood, erect them firmly either with lime or with ashtagandham or with cement, call them as Prana Pratishta without having any knowledge and without knowing oneself, but with the Shakti of the self do various sankalpa such as God is here, God is there, etc. And without knowing the aforesaid Shakti, they become adokati and are destroyed. Except thus, they do not do Kshetropavasa. Kshetropavasa means to do Upavasa in Kshetram. Kshetram or temple means Gatra Kshetram. To do Upavasam means to remain jointly or to be closely. That is Jiveshwaro Aikyam, union of Jiva with Ishvara. It is the state wherein the Jiva remains unitedly with Ishvara in Brahmadyam, the place of Pratishta or the place of installation at the aforesaid Gatra Kshetram. It is to this state that it is said as Kshetropavasa.
Swamiji, you have said that it is the Gatra Kshetram. What is the temple and there are 9 doors to it? What are those doors?
Those doors are the Navadvara.
Then is the whole body itself the temple? Is not to this body there are Navadvara?
No, the whole of our body is not the temple. Only a portion of this body is the temple. All the entrances in the body are not included in Navadvara. It is only the 9 openings of the temple that are included in the Navadvara.
Swamiji, what is that part of the body which is called the temple?
It is only to the head that it could be said as temple. It is because, see here, there is a field. There is the temple only in the northeast side, that is, northeast corner of the field. The rest of the portion or the surrounding places of the temple. In the same manner also, it remains the body to be the world and the top portion of the body to be the north. That seen at the northern part, the top portion is the temple. That temple is the head. It is to this head that there are Navadvara.
Swamiji, how is it that Navadvara are in the head alone?
What are all the Navadvara you have considered?
Navadvara are 2 ears, 2 eyes, 2 nostrils, 1 mouth, 1 lingam, the urethra, and 1 gudam, the anus. Thus, I have considered this 9 to be the Navadvara.
Thank you. Atma Namaskaram. End of chapter 16, part 3. For those who are willing to get initiation of Siddha Vidya, please contact our Chennai Siddha Vidya Nilayam Trust head office at Tamil Nadu, India. The address details are Chennai Siddha Vidya Nilayam Trust, 69 Sivaprakasam Road, Sivananthapuram, Vadamadurai via Periyapalayam. Postcode 601102. Contact phone number +91 9790 600015. Atma Namaskaram.